So washing dishes is probably my least favorite thing, but having good sponges really help it goes faster and it helps it goes more smoothly, which it makes me enjoy it more. So that's why I wanted these eco-friendly, these natural wood pulp fiber sponges. As you can see, these come in a large pack. These come in a 12 pack, which I really love because every so often I do love to throw away my sponges, and these are actually great because instead of throwing these away, you can actually compost these. So these are biodegradable sponges, which I really love because these just make sure you're throwing away. You don't want to throw away something all the time and then just go to a landfill. This way, these are biodegradable, compostable. These are porous and quick drying, which will really help prevent antibacterial or bacterial growth. These are latex-free material, which means these are gentle on the skin. These are also stink resistant, which they're safe for cleaning dishes. So if you're looking for a great compostable biodegradable sponge, these should definitely be yours.